Hey guys, we are back. It is Wednesday and we are on lesson 156 for math. You're on pages 311 and 312. So go ahead and get those out. We're going to work on 312 together. All right. So if you look at number 1, remember you can always press pause if you get behind. Look at number 1 and we're going to go through that page together. Number 1, it says write the number your teacher says. So for number 1, the first number is 23,040. 23,040. B, 16,800. 16,800. C, 7,500. 7,500. D, you're going to write the mixed number 13 and 1/2. 13 and 1/2. E, you're going to write the mixed number 17 and 3/4. 17 and 3/4. All right, so we should have gotten number 1. So let's look at number 1. Let's check. A was 23,040. B was 16,800. C, 7,500. And D, 13 and 1/2, which is 1/2. And E is 17 and 3/4, which is 3/4. All right, so let's go on to number 2. You're going to write the combinations, or answer the combinations. So you can write them underneath the letters. A is 8 times 3. A is 8 times 3. B, 18 minus 9 plus 3. 18 minus 9 plus 3. C, 12 plus 3 minus 8. C, 12 plus 3 minus 8. D, 15 minus 9. Miss Penny's writing them down too. 15 minus 9. And E is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. Press pause, finish your combinations, and then we're going to, you can check them. So here we are, we're ready to check now. A was 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. B, 18 minus 9 plus 3, your answer is 12. C, 12 plus 3 minus 8, your answer is 7. D, 15 minus 9, your answer is 6. And E, 7 plus 6, your answer is 13. All right, look at number 3. It's a story problem there, so let's look at that together. Lydia bought a bag of trail mix at the snack shop. The trail mix cost $1.87. Lydia gave the clerk a $5 bill. How much change did she receive? So remember, when we're looking for change, we're looking at the difference. How much she gave him, how much it cost, and you're finding the difference. So let's go back in our story problem. How much did she give him? She paid with a what? A $5 bill. So out in your workspace, you're going to write $5 minus how much was the trail mix. Look at the cost. How much did it cost? $1.87. So when we go to solve it, we're going to have to write our problem like this. Now remember, when we write a word problem, when we write a subtraction with the money, we have to make sure we line up our decimals, right? Those decimal points have to be in a line, and then we're going to subtract. So let's look. If I subtract $5 minus $1.87, what is my answer going to be? Press pause, figure it out, and then we'll check it together, okay? Okay, your answer should have been $3.13. Did you get $3.13? Make sure you put your answer on the line. Look at number 4. You're going to mark under the amount that is rounded to the nearest dollar. The nearest dollar. $13.23. Remember, we're going to look at the number that is the first number behind the decimal point. So if you have $13.23, is it going to be closer to $13 or $14? We're going to always look at the number in the tens place. Well, that's a 2. So remember, 1 through 4, you go down, 5 through 9, you take a climb, right? So it's going to be closer to $13. Look at $8.91. What number are we going to look at to know which way we go? We're going to look at the 9. We're going to round up to 9, down to 8. We're going to go up to 9. Look at the next one, $14.25. We're going to look at our 2. Up to 15, down to 14. Down to 14. All right, now look at number 5. You have to write the missing number. Write the missing number. Blank minus 8 equals 4. So in order to figure this out, we have to, remember, subtraction is just addition in reverse, okay? So what we can do is we can add 4 plus 8, and it should give me this number. So what is 4 plus 8? 12. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. Or you could think of it this way. What number minus 8 gives me 4? Okay, look at the next one. 12 plus blank equals 17. 12 plus blank equals 17. So if you're adding here, you're going to reverse it and do the opposite to find the missing number. So there's 2 ways you could do it. You could think, what can I add to 12 to get me 17? Well, I can count up. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What did I add? I added 5. Or you could subtract these 2 numbers, and that would give you 5. Okay, either way. Look at your next one. Blank minus 2 gives me 16. So what can I add to 2 to give me 16? What can I subtract 2 from to give me 16? Remember, if they give you minus, we can do the opposite, which would be addition. So we're going to add 16 plus 2, and that would be what? 18. So 18 minus 2 is 16. All right, look at number 6. Write the time. Look at your clock. Where's your shorthand? Your shorthand is between the 3 and the 4. It just passed by the what? The 3. So we know our hour is 3. And what's our minute? Remember, our minute is the longhand. And so when we start at 12 and we go around the clock, we count by 5s. So if we count by 5s all the way to the 7 would be what? 35. So the time on the clock is 3:35. And number 7, you have to look at your thermometer and you have to tell me what the temperature is. Do you know what the temperature is? 97 degrees. Whew, that's a hot one. All right, very good. Good job today on this lesson. You're going to finish page 311 by yourself and have a grown-up check it for you. And I will see you back for Thursday's lesson. All right, see you tomorrow.